Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer. It is late and I'm back in the shop. I've really had to kind of pull off this project a little bit, and I've been running 3, 4 projects simultaneously, and I'm getting up at 4 in the morning, feeding animals, and trying to keep uh, fire in the firebox and ring the bell on the train and everything else. But I'm having to go back and sand some of this. You can see I got happy painting and I had some runs. Of course, I can sand them down and they'll cover up. And it's not as shiny as I like, but there's one other trick I'm going to try. And right here, there's some stuff going on, but I'll paint that. But at the very bottom, I'm going to use an epoxy to guard it against rust and where I repaired those rust holes in it. But let me show you the top and show you what's going on with that. This is the top, and I'm still, you can see there's an area right in there. I sanded that down, and there's my sticker, and you can pretty well see what's going to be happening. I have to center that up, and that's not a big project, but I want it centered up looking nice like it's factory. And I had 2 more decals ordered off a certain place you can buy stuff, and the person I got it from told me it wasn't his fault that I hadn't got them, and more or less put the burden on me. So I told him it wasn't on me, it was on him. And I filed a grievance, and so he sent me a email saying he was looking into it. So I don't know what's going to happen with that. I'm probably going to end up ordering from somebody else. And if I get the other sticker, I get it. If not, I'll get my money back. But you can see it's going to be like an old Coca-Cola cooler. Yeah, it won't, be an original, but I've looked and looked for these things, and I always come up on them, and I'm a day late or $1 short. Well, not really $1 short, but I had one. The lady had 2 or 3 of them, and I said I will be there tonight or tomorrow. Which she said, yeah, you can come in the morning. So I called her up and I said, I'm on my way. She said, well, somebody else is already on the way. I said, you told me I could buy them. Well, they're closer. I said, ma'am, I don't really, the distance. I said I was wanting the coolers. I said, I understand, no problem. So anyway, I will finally have me a Coca-Cola cooler, and we'll see how it turns out. Still more work to be done. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.